This video will demonstrate how to export and print images. Images are saved as a binary file format with a oimg extension and as a thumbnail file. Images can also be exported in other formats to be opened in other software programs such as Matlab or Excel. To export thermal images, select Image, Export Image, or Export Image and Data if there is region data and notes. To save the entire screen, select Export Image Screenshot. The image temperature and radiance values can be exported as a text file or binary file. To export, go to Image, Export Image Temperature, or Export Image Radiance. For more information on how these values are saved, click the link in the description below. Images can also be printed. To print, select Image, Print Image and Data, or Print with Preview to preview before printing. Click the link in the description for more information on this topic.